Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how to download Gmail on your iPhone. So these are the following steps you have to follow to download the Gmail app on your iPhone. So first, unlock your iPhone and connect your device with the internet, either Wi-Fi or data. Once you connect your device with the internet, now look over to the App Store on your home screen. It is the blue icon with a white A on it. Once you are in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you have to type Gmail. Now tap the search. You can see the Gmail app icon. It's a red M on a white background. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you will see the Get button. Tap on it, and if prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID, Face ID to confirm the download. Once you sign in, your app will now start downloading. Here you can see the downloading process of the Gmail. So wait for a while until the download completes. Once the download is complete, you can tap on Open button to launch the app directly, or whether you can see the app on your home screen along with the other apps. Through this way, you can download Gmail on your iPhone and proceed for the sign up process.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.